from the Singapore River. Let's take a blast into our past just 60 years earlier, where this river was polluted and so full of litter. That's when we decided that we really need to fix this mess.
And now with good news, we've cleaned it up, it's the best. The water's clearer and now in the river there's more life down below.
Go Green SG, go Green, go.
Come and see the origin behind this food platter. We started with traditional farming, now with tech it's better. Locally produced eggs, fish, vegetables and more.
Bad weather's not a problem, we've been farming indoors. Let not enough, we'll overcome and aim higher as we go.
Go Green SG, go Green, go.
Let's eat, the Char Kway Teow man is here.
Eat!
I love to eat along the streets, but it can be so unpleasant.
Food's great, I just pray I won't get a stomach ache later.
Now in the future, wow, it's so much cleaner.
Same great food here, just much safer.
So comfortable.
I know!
Let's not forget where we began and how far we've come. A clean and green city needs the help of everyone. We did it then, we'll do it now again, yeah, let's go. Go Green SG, go Green, go.